Do you have some questions about how to mail your eyeglasses in? Hi, this is Glenn.
And I'm Tyler with All American Eyeglass Repair.
Let's give you some tips and make it easy for you to send them in. The first thing to do is go to the bottom of our home page and print out the PDF file. We just need your information on here with any pertinent information you want to include. If you don't have the file or a printer to use, just make sure you include your information on a piece of paper so we can contact you once the frame arrives. Let's go to your frame and assume that this is the one that's broken. You'll notice this one is in two different pieces. Take the frame itself, utilize a case if you have yours or any other case around the house. Make sure the lenses are protected. You'll notice he didn't put the broken temple inside. We don't want that to scratch your lens. So put that on the outside. You can tape it down if you need to, wrap it up. You'll notice right now Tyler just has some bubble wrap that he uses to secure everything together. He'll wrap that up. We suggest using priority mail USPS. They'll supply a box, as Tyler has right there. It's easy to use. Take that, your frame, and the form that you have filled out, or your paperwork. Put that inside together. Once you easily secure the box, it'll be ready to mail. The most important thing after that, take some tape and wrap it up on the outside just to make sure nothing breaks the outside seams. Your case may be a little bit bigger, it may be heavier. We want to make sure it shows up intact, and then we'll contact you as soon as it arrives.